How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. Before we get into this rock bass series, I just want to say this video is sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box. If you guys don't know about Mystery Tackle Box, it's a company that I work with. So what you do is you subscribe to the box, right? Mystery Tackle Box. This is the Pro Series. They send you a bunch of cool tackle. I know it's late, so I'm trying to stay a little quiet here, but in this box you get a bunch of cool lures, right? Swim baits, crankbaits, spinner baits, stuff like that. I'm just gonna go through this really quick for you guys, right? There we go. This thing will work great for smallies. It's a crankbait. Okay. Nice shad pattern for the shads that are moving up. Spinner bait. Okay. You got some worm, right? Some finesse worm. Boom. Sinkos. You can never have enough of that. Okay. And my favorite, the Kalen's swim bait. This is like that goldy color. Super cool, super gold. Great for smallmouth fishing in the Great Lakes. Get yourself a nice little sticker here, right? Tree pounder, as I always say. I'm really good at that. Oh yeah, I forgot some hooks here. Alright, how many hooks? So this way you can build your bass profile. I've been collecting these boxes for a while now. So now I have great selection of bass lures. I don't have to go and buy stuff last minute. I got a tub full of lures that I can just go sort them out and just go off, just go off either shore, bow, or wherever you're fishing. It's a great way to just experience and learn new techniques. So yeah, make sure you guys check it out. Links down below, and get yourself some awesome box. So before we get into this video here, I am editing it at the moment, as you guys can see. I did not shoot an intro. Why? Because it was just kind of like, hey bro, let's go bass fish, let's go rock bass fish and check out this shallow river. We didn't expect to catch anything crazy, but all I can say now is that we had a tremendous time of fishing. Like, it was so cool, so fun, random, right? We caught a bunch of big rock bass and smallmouth, as you guys are going to see in this video. I'm not going to have an ending to this, but just know that you guys are going to watch a how do you call this, like a urban shallow water action-packed rock bass and smallmouth. I was using a crappie jig, a plastic jig, and my brother was using like a top water and a mag draft, a swim bait, basically like a bigger profile, and we just straight hammered him. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, just comment down below, hit that thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in this video. I'm excited to show you guys. Stay tuned because I'm excited for this rock bass series. Peace. Oh Jesus. Jeez. Yeah, dude, something blew up on your lure. Got him. That's a big rock bass. Whoa. Oh, I got one too. Nice. Oh, that thing's huge, bro. Come on, don't put it in front of me. Jeez, dude. Oh, look at this thing, bro. Dang. I told you something blew up on it. Oh my god. Oh my He's god. Massive. Jeez, okay, screw my guy. Okay, let me help you. Got it? No, I don't. He's still too strong. I got you. Whoa. Oh, bro. Chill, dude. Juice. Bro, dang, dude. That thing is huge. I just like that, yeah. Ready? Yeah. Series has begun. Freaking tank.
The one who does make these guys.
I thought it was a smallie, dude. Yeah. Yep, I see. That's a male in the car. Really? Oh shit. I don't know, man.
Huh? Come on, we're still young.
Dude said we're still young.
Oh, dang it.
It's not bad. Watch out, bro. Right. Oh, he actually ate it. Nice. Bro, he ate my lure. Look. Look, he ate it. I didn't think he was going to eat it. Nice. Right, way to scare all the fish. Remember that one snapping turtle that lives here? I'm scared, dude. Nice. That's so cool. It's a carp.
Carp?
Yeah. It's not a sucker. It's like a buffalo. Yeah, look, he actually ate it, bro. No, and I felt a real nice thunk. Like, the heck? Yeah, rock bass out. I told you throw a popper, bro. Oh, jeez, bro, he scared the shit out of me. Big rock bass. Jeez. Holy cow, look at that guy. Oh, so cool. There you go, guys. Sweet little rock bass. Good eater too. These are delicious. Oh no! That's a big old rock bass. Ah, dang it. That was a big old rock bass. Jeez. Smallie or something. Not that big one I lost, but it's fair. No, the one I lost was a lot bigger, dude.
Dude, that's still big, dude.
Yeah. I think this is the one that was paired with it.
You think so?
Yep. Because the other one, I wasn't able to like get him out at all. There you go. You gotta go? Chicken! Danny say, huh? Yeah. There he goes. There you go. That's the guy. That's the guy. Danny, help me. Oh my gosh. Yes, that's the guy. I told you. Oh my gosh. Bro. Danny.
I know, dude.
That's the guy.
I gotta wait.
Huh?
I gotta wait. Scale.
Do you? Yeah. Holy smoke. That's the guy. I told you I lost him. I had to keep him in the water, bro. I don't want him to die. He's hooked really good. Look how big he is. Guys, nice big rock bass. Jeez, it's insane.
Tired out.
Yep. She's good. Peace.
Oh, me, you're probably too big one.
Man, I wasn't recording, but I got another one. Their mouth is so tough, that's crazy. Dang, I wasn't recording. Got him. It's another one. Jeez, dude, they're huge. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh, dude, that's crazy. Back to back. That's exactly what I was doing earlier, guys. These are fatties.
I know those are big.
Dang, dude. Widowmaker just sent me these plastics too, and they're just crushing it. Oh my gosh. They are freaking strong fish. Look at that thing. It's insane. Wow, look at that. Look at that, it's so cool. See ya. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big fish. What is that? Oh my gosh. It's a smallie. It's a smallie. Yep. It's a big smallie. Oh, jeez. That's a big smallie, dude. Oh. I knew it. Don't get tangled that line. Dude, that's insane. That's a big one, bro. No, come back. I'm about to get in the water. Relax. That's a tank. 6 pound test too. Yep. Yeah. What'd I tell you? Oh my gosh. That's a 2 pounder. There he goes. What? Thanks. Just crappie jigs.
Dude, that's what the fuck is swear.
I'm going for the I'm going for the rock bass. I'm going for the rock bass. Yep. Nice. Smallie. Yep. Jeez, go ahead. There he goes. Huh?
Smallmouth.
Yeah, but I think we kind of. Dude, jeez. What was that? Dang. Holy. Let him run. He's not getting away yet. He's not getting away.
Oh, he's not done yet.
Yeah, he's not done. Just let him go. Oh my gosh, look at that cast. Don't. Yeah. Dang, dude. A picture?
I think they just hate the tail flipping.
They love it, dude. Pisses them off. They just want to kill. Oh, gee, I just got a fish. I got a smallie, bro. Whoa.
Let's go.
The heck? I was like, that's a big rock bass. Ooh, oh, jeez.
Not done. This guy's mean.
Mean as heck. Look at him go, bro. It's so fun, dude. Look at him. 6 pound test too. Look at him go. Look at him go.
Uh-oh.
You're good. An ultralight rod, dude, it's so much fun. Look how big he is too. It's a big. Oh, jeez, bro. He's not giving up. That's a big one.
Still, guys.
See how big he is?
Yeah.
Yes, it's a decent 2, man. It's alright, he'll call in the other ones.
Yeah.
I wonder what the fuss is all about. Ooh. Jeez, he's just not giving in. That's a tank, dude. Oh. Bro, it's a tank. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was. Oh, jeez. Look at that thing. Off of this little crappie jig. Oh my gosh, dude. Alright, let's get some pictures. Alright, guys. Again, not in the planning at all. Look how big and fat that thing is. Look at that, Danny. Oh, that's a 17, 18 inch smallie right there, man. See ya.
Beautiful.
Hey, look at that. Rock bass, it was a big rock bass. Nice little shiny rock bass. Get a picture of this guy. I like how it looks. Here you go. Rock bass fishing. See ya.